Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is weekly contest 226 of the Leetcode Contest. We have about 46 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's prom, the contest, what's your favorite prom, which one did you hate? Let me know. I hope everyone's just doing well in general. It's been really cold here in New York in normal times, but also just cold in general, I guess. We have about 25 seconds to go. I want to say wish me good luck, but I don't, it doesn't really matter. Remember, these are just for fun. These are just hobby. Yeah, I'm gonna push myself, and maybe this is just for now a good distraction. Whatever your purpose is fine. Just do what you enjoy. Okay, and now we have a couple of seconds left. Let's get started, and I will see you soon as I start. Go, go, go. Mm. Mm. That's really unfortunate. It's a daily gap. Hmm. One a day. One a day is that. Is that it? Guess not. Day 2. Oh. Mm. This one's wrong. Why? Mm. Well, this is a little bit off for sure, but this definitely needs to be fixed. But it still should be right for this one. If this is See day 2, so you remove 2. Okay. Otherwise, so the earliest day that you can get to here is earliest day is day. Okay, let's try this another way. Earliest is yep, 10. This would be the that's not the earliest day. Yeah. Math problems are really hard for me. Basically, okay. There's a 2, right? Maybe 2 candies. Can we get there? So it's possible. It's just so if total is at least this, then we don't outrun it. Then the late, and then can you eat enough of the prefix? Previous. So this means that it doesn't go too late. Here it means for each of the previous day. Can we eat through the previous thingies? Is that right? I don't think this is right still, but I want to see what it gives me. This is very wrong. Basically, you want to eat through all the previous numbers. Oh no. If this is true, then that means that for 2, is it day 2? Yeah, if this is bigger, then we can eat all the previous numbers. And yeah, okay. I mean, this gives me the right answer, but I'm not confident about it at all. What's the case that I want to do? Case I want to do is, let's see. Do day type 1, 1 day, 7. Okay. 6. This should be true. So yeah, okay. Pretty sure that's true actually. Because the first day we can day 0 we eat 6 of this, and then the second day we eat that, right? So why is this wrong? So earliest, yeah, that's good. Previous, day. Rent this, and has to be strictly greater than. Okay, so that looks better. Let's double check. Let's give it a go. I'm not confident, but wasting a lot of time testing. Okay, well it's not a good test case. My Evernote is always so bad these days. But okay, let's see if this where the discrepancy is. This is impossible to debug, but I hope it's just like an off by one somewhere, but I don't. I'm trying to think about my logic a little bit. Let's see. I don't even know where the wrong answer is. That's a sad part. It's this one, but I don't know what answer that is. I have to count. That is silly. Seems like I'm just off by one a little bit. That's the only force case, so hopefully that's just off by one. But let's see. One. So this is the expected answer. You gotta be kidding me. How do I do a search and replace on this? Do none of my tools have search and replace? What is this technology? I can't believe this. This way. So guys, so we want to yeet type 43 on day 1054. daily cap is 49. Actually, it should be 44, 43. Okay, so I feel like I have an off by one here somewhere because it is exactly 1054. The expected answer is false, but I returned true. Can I reduce this thing a little bit? So let's change here to 1. That returned true, so I don't know. Okay. What do I want to do? 49 on day. Is that the day? Favorite day, daily cap. Oh, it is just this, isn't it? So 1 a day. So 1 a day. Then it would eat. I mean, this gives me the right answer for this problem now, but okay, let's give it a go. Let's double check the example first. Okay, so that wasn't that bad. Wow, people got it really quickly though, because I mean, it was just a mistake. So okay, non-empty palindromic strings. Okay. Hmm. 2000 is tough in Python. Have to learn the managers algorithm. Never needed it, but a lot of people know this one. I mean, I feel like if you have managers, it's quick enough, but I don't know managers that well. So then it just becomes I mean, I have to learn it, so it's probably gonna take some time. But I think once I learn this, fine. But maybe in Java I could do n square way of doing it as well. Hmm. Which is annoying because I think this constant is very slow in Python. That's why to do n square. I mean, I have a full hours I could learn it, but. Hmm. I mean, this is just library function. I'm kind of annoyed about it, but okay, let's go. Hmm. I guess I could do it that way because it's linear anyway, but. Because you're wondering, I'm just on the Wikipedia page and just try to copy that a little bit. I think the other way is the convention, but no more. And minus one. I don't remember how to do this. Piece of I. The right size for this, then we set it to minus. I wrote this code before, but can't find my code somewhere. But okay, so that's basically it'll give us the whole element. So let's kind of take a look. And we just return true and false, right? P, where do I have P? Why do I have P here? Okay, so this 3 means, what does this 3 mean? This 3 means that there's 3 characters here, right? I forget what these means. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The first one should be true because it's. I feel like there should be a 2 somewhere. Why is this wrong? Or am I just wrong? Am I using the wrong algorithm? Like, I feel like there should be a 2 somewhere here. Am I doing So we look at I. Is 1 on both sides correct? Oh, I guess this is a 1 on both sides, so it's 2. But am I indexing right? Okay, so then I think I'm roughly right, but now I just draw the graph on a DP. Right though, this feels a little bit off. Let's see. Let's print this a little bit different way. So the left right isn't quite right the way that I'm writing it. It's 0, 0, 1. Why is this 1? Oh. Okay. 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, why is this 0? Oh, because it doesn't count the thing, so I have to change that. No, because then now they're different. Okay. Let's start this at 1 then. So this B being 1, what does that mean? That means that I added to here, but we started here, right? I have so many off by 1 situations. I have an hour, I have time, even though this is a silly problem. Unless you've done it before, or maybe I'm doing it a dumb way. But why is this only, oh, this is 3 because it goes here. So actually, maybe I just do this. I'll be okay. And it gets out on the right, which is this B is 1. Gets out here. Is that right? No, that will always be a little bit awkward. Maybe. Let's look at another one actually. So I don't want the shortest path, so I think this is a little bit awkward. But that's not that bad, actually. So okay, so 0, 0, this is 1, connecting this to this. This one. And I'm just having a lot of off by 1 issues that I'm struggling to figure out how to deal with this management. I mean, I have the idea, but this is what is 0? What does 0 mean? 0 means if length is 0, it goes to this +1 maybe? I'm struggling to figure out how to handle this a little bit. So this 1 means that this is covered. I think what I have to figure out is if centered mod 2 is 1, that means we're on a character. That means we're on a real character. Then we do then we know that edges of left, even if it's 0, we append that to right. If it's 0, if it's what does that mean if it's 1? Well, it's trickier only because of the first instance. Because I'm dumb about it. I mean, once you set the graph, everything becomes easy because it's just that first search, but I don't know how to set up the graph. and I'm being dumb about it. So here is 1, 2. That's because it includes these silly characters. Actually, let's see. It should be this 2. And now maybe that's better. Yeah, okay. Maybe that's better. So 0, well, -1 is a popular place to hang out. That's not good. Oh, maybe I just been confused the entire time, but yeah, that actually doesn't make sense the other way. Okay. So now you have let's now make this a set. Okay, so now from 0 it goes to itself, goes to 1, goes to 2, 1 it goes to 2, 2 it goes to 3. I don't even know where 3, I guess it's just the last character. That's fine, maybe. Okay, let's see. 0 goes to 0, that's fine. B goes to 1, which is itself, 2, which is B and C, which doesn't make sense. And then 4, which is 1, 2, 3. So 4 kind of makes sense. The 2 doesn't make sense though. 2 and 2 makes sense. 3. I'm just having the off by 1 issues. Yeah. I don't quite know how to deal with it because I'm not that familiar with the managers. But this looks more reasonable at least, because 0, 0, yeah, I mean. At 40 minutes up, I get it, but it's still tough. Like B, it goes to from itself to itself, which is fine. C should go from. I think my problem is the even length ones. I think that's where I'm struggling with, where I have the middle one, but then it goes from left to right. So I think I just have to really if center mod 2 is equal to. So okay, so this is odd. Then there's a real character. Then edges of left. Else. If this is the middle, what is the middle? So this is 1 because it encompasses these things, and what that means is that is something like maybe, I don't know. I'm a lot tired right now, to be honest. Not sure this is wrong, to be honest, but yeah, real debugger. Okay, so left by 0 0 for this one, that's fine. 0 0 for this one, that's fine. No, that's not. This should be 0 1, that's okay. 0 1's in there. This one tells me that, yeah, there's one length, so the left is 0 and the one is 1. So it should go from 0 to 2. Maybe that's fine. I don't know, maybe this is just what I need. I don't know. 0 to 1 to 3 is what I want. 1 to 3 is, I mean, this last character doesn't matter. So, but 1 2 3, 1 should go to 2 as well. So I think that's the one that's missing. But that's because the maximal, that's why. Because this maximal thing, I don't create all the edges. What am I doing? I should have used another language. I think that probably should have been what I done. Because in Python, I think the constants are too slow. Let's see. I don't know any other language. Okay, so let's just do it naively and square. How do I want to do this? Is I should have changed the language a long time ago. Yeah, well. Yeah, maybe I could do this in C# or something. Okay, it doesn't crash, so that's good. might be C++ syntax. Okay, awesome. Okay, so that looks good. Then now we just need another that's not good. I know it was going to run, but I don't. It would at least give me a right answer. Okay, so this is good. That's not good that this isn't true though. Ideally, I have more here, but I don't know why this doesn't. Let's see. That's weird. Maybe I won't get it because I am just too dumb today. Why is the inner loop doesn't go beyond on this one? This P is well. True, so why does that not go on the loop? Huh. This is such a silly problem that I don't know why I'm taking so long, but maybe it's just one of those days. This is true all the way, so the SP function is right, but I don't know, am I calling it well? Index I. Oh no, there it is. There's the 0, 1. 0, 3 even. 0, 2. So why is this giving me force? Dun dun dun. Three is the first part, but oh, that's not right. What am I doing wrong? It must be something dumb. Oh, snap. That was something dumb. Okay, true, false. Okay, I can't believe I spent that long debugging this. Okay, let's kind of give it a go. If I don't know if this is fast enough, but let's see. That's 100. I hope that is fast enough. It looks fast. Okay, I mean this is such. I knew how to do it from the get-go, but I guess I should have switched language because I think n is too slow for n square is too slow for Python, but n square was fast enough for other languages. I could be wrong on that one, on the Python one, but otherwise it is such a dumb problem. I mean it's a good problem. It's just I don't know why they made the constraint such that it's heavily biased against Python. Yeah, I mean, I don't know where I finished because a lot of people got down because I knew how to do that one immediately. It's just, you know, wow, jeebus. It's just that I don't know. I was trying to figure out how to do it in Python for too long when I should have done it in other languages. Because and even here, I wonder how long I spent on this one, but I probably like I had this algorithm pretty much right off the bat. So if I had implemented it from scratch, maybe I would have been slow, but even 20 minutes would have been way faster than whatever I end up taking. A lot of people got this very quick, so I don't think I would have gotten a good score in either case. But what a silly contest. I mean, and I don't feel that bad because I think I see some good people that are like, you know, like Alex I just saw, and I think it's just, oh wow, he got it in 9 minutes. Actually, I don't. Yeah, maybe there is a way to do it. Maybe n square is fast enough in Python. Maybe I was wrong. Because I think if I could do an n square, then I just wasn't confident about it. But I should have just tried it because there was only a 5-minute penalty. Because instead I spent way too long on Python trying to do it in not a fast enough way. Let me try to solve this or not solve it, just solve it normally, but in Python. Because I had this crazy algorithm, but basically what I needed to do was just so I would have done something like this, and this is true actually. I guess it is just return this and that's the is palindrome, and let's do the one for the other one. Definitely good. Index parts, and it's just, what is it? If index is equal to n, if parts is equal to 3, return true, else return false. If parts equal to 3, return false. And then we just do a for I, and I just spent too long debugging something that wasn't needed to be debugged because I'm dumb. There's no way about it. I don't know, just one of those. I mean, my life's been a little bit weird in general, so maybe it is what it is. Good. Yeah, that's I almost made the same mistake again. That's pretty much it. I should have tried this. I mean, this would have I think I was too scared about the 5-minute penalties, but maybe I shouldn't. I mean, look at this though. It is actually is a legitimate concern. Let's give it a submit to see if it ever worked. I think it should have time limit exceeded. That's why I don't know. If it works, it would have been very barely. So that's why I didn't do it in Python. But as you can see, oh my God. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should have done it this way then, because I thought that I need a linear time thing. But it sucks that n square is fast enough, and I should have done it, and it would have taken me 5 minutes. But I don't know. But 2000 is one of those things where in Python you don't know if it's going to be fast enough. So I think that's a little bit of a sketch move. Because I had this algorithm pretty much right off the bat, so that like I knew how to, like, this is naive pretty much, so that's why I feel a little bit sad that that's the case, because then I would have gotten like my Q3 was slow, but I probably would have gotten maybe top 100 or something like that, so I would have felt great about it. Maybe not. Like I would have gotten Q4 in about 5 minutes maybe, but so if I did, then maybe I get 32, 37, so maybe like top 100. So even then it would have been a rough contest, but I think it's just, yeah, I mean, I have no confidence that in Python would be fast enough, and that was my downfall. I really should have gotten this much faster. Okay, that's all I have. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Stay safe, everybody. Stay healthy.